So guys, as I was editing the video that you guys are watching right now, my boy hit me up because we dropped off his car to get wrapped 3 days ago, because it usually takes 3 days to get wrapped. He called me, he's like, yo, let's go get the cars. I said, I bet. So right now I'm waiting for him to come downstairs because we're about to go all the way to New Jersey, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out the car, see how it came out. I'm sure it came out nice. I'm gonna record it for you guys to see what you guys think down below, and let me know. And also let me know what color I should wrap my car, because if you guys haven't seen my car is just plain white, you know. It looks nice, you feel me, but I want to wrap it. I have a color in mind, but I don't know if that's the color I'm you know, go with. But so my boy's pulling up right now, and then I'm gonna just take you guys with me. All right, so stay tuned, boy. This is what it looked like. This boy wrapped this shit. Ooh,
you send it to the email address?
Oh, that shit looking clean, spiffy, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, it says we are processing the... Yeah. So you sent it.
I ain't gonna lie, I think he did a good job though. I think he did a good job. You know what I mean? I just need to drop that shit a little bit at least. That shit drop is gonna look crazy, bro.
Get shit fire, hurt.
Yeah. And he did it right too, cause he put the AMG on the shit.
No, he took it off.
No, I'm talking about the calipers.
You gotta send me the...
I know, I'm talking about the calipers. So look, he put the AMG on it.
Oh, he put this black too.
Yeah, he put the AMG on the calipers.
It's tough.
So we're the only ones here right now. I don't know who else gonna pop out. You know, there's other people that probably show up and stuff, but we just got here. My boy already going stupid. He don't know how to chill, nothing. He already wanna spin. He don't even got tires, guys. This guy, bro, he gets tires and he wastes them like in 2 days. This nigga working right now. He picking up the cones and shit. Look at that shit. Ooh. Tú eres maldito loco. This shit's smoking, bro. Nigga, that donut was mad big.
I had to do it both ways.
Yeah, check the tires, bro. Cause I couldn't see. How is it? What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner. I'm gonna go sit in here. Hell no! Fuck that! Okay, mama! Hey, fucking get the fuck out! Nah! So update, guys, my boy just freaking hit a hole. This is what I've been telling you guys about New York, man. So my boy just hit a hole on the highway, bro. Imagine that, on the highway. And so now he caught a flat tire. So now we're trying to make it to a you know, a tire shop to see what we can do, because he got a flat now. Let me see if I can see it. I mean, I'll probably show you guys when I get there, but he just called me right now telling me that he got a flat. So now we gotta go check that and see what's up, cause bro, if it's not one thing, bro, it's another. So let's see what happens. This shit is flat, bruh. You got 225/40 on this side. You got 225/45s on the other. This nigga wildin', bro. So now we gotta see if we can find him a tire, cause his shit is flattuccini right now. Para que cheque esa goma, no sé si tiene un hoyo, que lo que. Échalo para acá. Uy. Échalo para acá. No, man, that's the thing about New York, man. You find a fix real quick, man, everywhere. Especially if you're in the Bronx, feel me?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, well, you know, we got the tire fixed and everything, but it's looking type dead right now. I don't know where everybody at. The guys that were supposed to come out, I don't know what happened to them. I don't know where they went. But, you know, we're just gonna go to my house, man. We're just gonna go over there, chill, smoke a hookah, listen to some music or some shit, and then just chill for the rest of the night, man. I did get some footage for you guys, you know, of him spinning. Trust me, I'm gonna spin my car soon, man, but I need new tires before I do that. And I'm not trying to spend that kind of money on the tires right now. And so, but hey, I'm gonna spin my car, trust me. I'm gonna spin it for you guys and it's gonna be lit. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. More car content coming. You know, I'm gonna teach you guys, you know, DIYs, car vlogs, car meets, all that. Stay tuned for all that, man. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, y'all.